Yeah, you can barely differentiate the clouds in the mountain.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it looks so tiny.
This is the mountain above the clouds right here, everybody. Mt Rainier. Oh, you're driving by and it said scenic viewpoint. I was like, oh, it's just a valley, cool valley. And then I saw that thing above the clouds. I was like, what the nuts?
Yeah.
How is it so much bigger than everything else? But yeah, that's what we're making our way to. We're gonna climb it.
Yeah, let's peek it, dude.
Let's do it. Bros. Bro. Look at this huge tree. We're currently looking for our campsite because we're camping out in the woods tonight, and we found a spot, baby. So we're gonna camp probably like behind this tree cover right in here. Then we're right next to this river. Super epic. I stepped on it and the whole thing fell out. Oh no. Is this the first one? Yeah. I hear something plop. I look over, the GoPro's just in the water. Oh. I don't know how to get down here. Oh my god. Yo, it's still going. Yo, what's up, guys? We saved you. He went up the log and it just cracked under him. He's have to cross. Here we go. Oh, easy. Ow. Look. Oh. God dang I heard like a crack and then a splash. And the GoPro's just in the water. Alright guys, here's our camping spot. Ding ding. Out in the middle of the forest. See those mountains? Oh yeah. Got a little bit of sand right here, so we figured it'd be a nice comfy bed. So I'm gonna plop this right here for you and we're gonna set it up. We're gonna go super speed, bruh. Super speed, bruh. Alright, let's do this. Hey everybody, looks like the GoPro's gonna die, but I'd like to show you the campsite quick. Hopefully it doesn't freeze. This is the campsite. It's pretty epic. All right everybody, welcome to the campsite. Isaac, start a little midget fire.
I don't know how to start a fire, dude.
Do you want me to try?
I mean, I'm just gonna light this.
I guess put some sticks, try to keep it really small. Yes, the fire's definitely gonna hit that. Oh god, that paper's just gonna blow into the forest. What the heck? Right. Got it going. We should have like a bunch of water with us. Oh, that's not good. Poke it down with a stick. Are these sticks just not gonna light? Are these unburnable? Moral of the story is, we don't know how to make a fire. And I'm starving.
Raw dog food. Well then.
It's not a good start.
Yeah, no.
Success. Now it's doggy time. Let's get this Sino. did it. Alright guys, the bear attractants. Cooking them up. Cooking them on the fire. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh, camping.
These are short.
Not a fan of this wind. And though how it's going directly into the woods.
Yeah.
These better be good hot dogs, Isaac. I'm putting a lot on you.
You're the one who picked them out.
No, I'm putting.
Shoot, this one's full.
It has to be cooked to perfection. You cook me one, and then I'll cook you one.
Okay. He's still working on
cooking.
his dogs. I got my dog right here.
It's gonna be good.
I don't know if it's cooked at all, and these buns are smashed. I'm gonna try it.
Hit ash again.
All right. Dog tasting time.
Tastes like a hot dog?
It's like somewhat warm on the inside. It's not hot or anything, but it's warm, I guess. It's not bad. It's good.
Good job, buddy!
Yeah.
Let's see how mine tastes.
We're out of sticks
We
there.
don't want to start a forest fire.
Ow. Yeah. Okay.
My dog. Great bun.
This lighting is awful.
Like too bright?
Yeah. Oh, well, you're not bright enough. The outside. Yeah, now it's fine.
Probably not cooked enough. I've had worse.
Yeah. I'm still eating my dog. I'm gonna light your face on fire.
Alright, we're going to show you how you make s'mores when you're dispersed camping out in Washington.
Oh yeah, don't you know? Oh, I can zoom out.
Hopefully bears can't smell marshmallows when they're opened up. They'll be in our tent. Go like this. Put it on your sticker that was just used for hot dogs. You might have a little hot dog thing. Then since we have our fire here that we poured a bunch of sand on because we were scared it was going to light the forest over there on fire. And we didn't want to be responsible for another West Coast forest fire, you know.
Yeah,
So,
don't you know?
This is how we're cooking our s'mores today. It's really windy. That's why our fire was a little bit dangerous.
Yeah, it was very dangerous, don't you know?
Here we go. Oh no.
Oh.
That's not
Oh,
good.
you got it on the lighter there, eh?
You betcha. Oh, I got some more on there. It's real hard.
You might need to go from the top angle for the lighter.
Here we go. You betcha. Getting that little golden brown, you know.
Oh yeah, don't you know?
Here we go. Getting that little golden brown. It's all gotta be golden brown.
You didn't know, guys. We're from Minnesota.
We're from Minnesota, up here in the North Forks. We're up in Washington this time of year. I have seemed to have lost my gas in the lighter here.
Yeah, it's not a very good lighter, eh?
Oh, here we go. Getting a little golden crispy brown.
As you can see, we're very adventurous here.
This is how you got to do it. You don't want to start a forest fire. As you can see, I mean, it's getting a little grayer than I would have thought.
It did not get brown really at all.
It's getting a little gray. I don't know what's up with that. I've never seen that one before. Oh, we got rocks on there. Don't worry. This isn't working as well as I would have thought. The wind is kind of being a hindrance to this. Let's try it over here.
True.
Where I can kind of block the wind. Hopefully it doesn't melt and fall on my leg or something. That would kind of burn. All right. All right, hey, we got something cooking. Oh. I mean, that's about golden brown. Let's get it a little bit more, use my thumb this time so my finger doesn't get any sore. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, let's just get this last flame here.
It's about time you got it going.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, I filled the entire hole there. That's not what we wanted. I'd say this is about perfect prime temperature.
We may be having some more raw s'mores after this, eh?
Yeah, okay. Next you gotta do is you take this pole and just put it in your armpit when you're about to open up your graham crackers here. Hopefully the bears don't like graham crackers, but we'll see what happens. We're gonna have to eat this whole box or else the bears might smell them. Pop it open like that. Pull out your graham cracker. See,
Oh, I could probably poop right now, eh?
it seems to have broke a little bit. Okay, and then you break it in half. Oh.
That's not half.
It's not what I wanted. Hold on there, eh? We're not going to go.
Oh, I have no clue what you just said. I have no clue what you just said, eh? You like the graham cracker?
Oh, Yep. I don't know what you said.
Uh-oh.
Is it melty?
Oh, no!
We're so bad at this. We can't even make s'mores.
Oh, nothing about you.
Yeah, dude. I don't know what you said again.
It's a little melty over there.
Yeah.
We didn't bring any water, which was kind of an odd choice, but
We
we
got our code red, eh?
Oh god.
No.
Next thing you want to do here, get your s'more, which is totally cooked. It's a little melty.
Oh, it's got some scoosh to
Push it down as much as you can. See that? Oh, cracked. Oh, I cracked my graham cracker there. See that?
Oh wow, don't you know?
Next thing you do,
Pop her in?
just pop it right in the old kisser. Here we go.
God. How is it, eh?
That's a pretty good darn tootin' s'more we got there. So if you want to make s'mores when we're dispersed camping,
Yes, guys, listen to us on Dispersed Camping Tips.
if you want to make s'mores while you're dispersed camping, this is how you do it. Look at that. Just like the Pop-Tart.
How's it taste?
That's pretty good.
Huh? That's good.
Pretty good, you know. I think like a 10 out of 10. All right, everybody.
This is so much. The fact that there's no wind hitting this is like the first time we've been in here and it's been calm.
I know.
It's so much nicer.
Every time we've been in here, it's been nutty, and the walls just coming in. There's just gonna be a huge storm tonight, and everything's just gonna go bad.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're in the tent for the night. We're gonna set up our sleeping bags, everything. We ate some marshmallows, you saw, and some hot dogs.
Yeah.
Just our first day of dispersed camping. We'll see how it goes in the morning and give you a review of what we think of dispersed camping. Honestly, the worst part has been the fire. It's been kind of relaxing, kind of sitting out in the nature and nobody bothering us.
Yeah. The only thing is just that the things that we're so ignorant to, like we don't know if we're gonna die to, or what we need to certain rules that everyone normally follows.
Yeah, we don't know rules. We don't have rules.
But those rules are probably set in place to be safe for us.
Yeah, probably. Like, don't start forest fires. All right, everyone. See you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody.
Yeah.
We're up out of the tent. Oh, wow, it's so bright on the camera. Holy nuts, why is it so bright? Morning, we're packing up. We're going to head to Mt Rainier today. Ugh, we will pick this up, don't worry. Pretty easy night. I slept pretty well. The ground, we figured the sand would be pretty soft to sleep on, but it was actually really hard. And it took a while to get in a comfortable spot, but once I did, it honestly it's pretty comfortable. Probably like one of the best sleep nights I've had so far. Yeah. Pretty easy. It's kind of chilly out. It's like 50 degrees. Probably got a little cooler last night, but yeah, it was pretty good. Pretty good sleep for our dispersed camping. Oh yeah, look at that hair, baby. We're going to Mt Rainier.